Look what we have growing in our garden this year. My son, he grew them for me. They're called Job's Tears. And once they turn black or gray or white, they're actually ready to harvest and turn into pieces of jewelry. You can eat them too, but of course, we're going to make jewelry out of these. Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I just harvested a lot of those Job's beads or Job's tears, and I need to clean them out, so I'm going to show you how to clean them and get them ready for jewelry making. So what I use is just an ordinary pen like you use for sewing, and they have these little things inside that are like a husk, and there's already a hole in these things, but you've got to clean them out. And at the bottom, I just go through in that hole and I stick my pen in there and just kind of loosen the fibers out and just keep pulling them out. Now it takes a little while and a little patience to do this. It's pretty satisfying though. See all those little things in there? Now, these particular Job's tears are pretty small. Some of them are larger, and I can use a bigger pin or needle. But what I have found for these that are this small, it's like I said, an ordinary sewing pin. I tried using a T-pin. It's way too big. I also tried using a needle, but this particular one's too big. I need probably a smaller needle. And I did try successfully an eye pin. That works pretty well. 20 gauge wire, I've used some of that too, and that works pretty well. But between the eye pin, the 20 gauge wire, and that sewing pin, I just keep loosening things up in there, pulling stuff out until everything is nice and clean. All cleaned out, ready to make it into something. Look at all the stuff I got out of this one. There's really a lot of things in there that just need to be cleaned out. But like I said, once you get that done, they're ready to turn into something beautiful to wear. I've already started wiring some of them up. I just took some 20 gauge wire and wire wrapped each side to make a link. Now I just got to figure out what I want to make out of all these. I could make a necklace, pair of earrings, let's see what else, bracelets, keychains. I do know a lot of people make rosaries out of these. What do you think I should make? Let me know down in the comment section below. And also let me know if you've ever made any jewelry with Job's tears. I do have several videos where I have made some things. One of them in particular that I did probably about a year ago was from a set of these beads that a friend of mine gave me She really liked the beads, but they were just strung pretty weirdly, which most of the time they are, and they didn't hang very well. So she gave them to me, but I turned them into a really nice set for her, and she absolutely loved them. I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for joining me. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.